say hi to him? Big titty anime? Come on, bro. Jeez. Guys, we got this Bentayga, all complete, 2026. BMW M4 competition, full comp. This has a comp seats, such a gorgeous spec. So yeah, so we did black chrome. You can see the finish here, and this lighting looks absolutely crazy. Yo, bring the camera right in there. Guys, we got this Bentayga, all complete. I don't know if you guys seen it in the vlog or not, how it looked before, but it was trash, pretty much. The car had some body work, it was primed and then wrapped. The car's already factory black, but then they wrapped it black again, whoever did it. They wrapped it black, I guess, because they didn't want to paint the panels that they sanded. Yeah, and it was just, again, really cheap wrap, orange peel like crazy. It was faded, almost looked gray. So many areas were peeling. Again, this is a job that I was turning away. I didn't even want to do it because there's jobs where sometimes you just have to say, listen, I can't do it. And it is what it is, but it's someone that I knew for a long time. So I was like, bro, I got you. We'll figure it out. We'll make it work. So it went from black now to satin, frozen vanilla. Very, very nice color. It's basically like a satin pearl white, but it has more of this gold flake into it and a vanilla tone to it. Wrapped the entire car. We did all the trims on top of that as well to give it that full white out, but we still want to keep a little bit of black because they want to keep the wheels black. We left the roof top section black. We even knifeless taped this area to give it like a more sportier look to show the spoiler instead of just leaving it black. But we did plate cover area, we did all the tail lights, we did all the trims that go around on the bumpers, the lower diffuser in white. We did all the wheel arches in white, all the door moldings in white, grille in white, all the headlight bezels in white, like everything went white out. And then again, the subtle touches of black here and there, which honestly, I think tastefully was done. And now the car looks obviously completely revamped. We ceramic coated it. Yeah, we did the wheels, did them in gloss black. We did floating 4G auto caps. So they're spinning, give it that real 4G look, and detail the car. There was some small stuff that I might have missed, but
the floating caps match the badge.
Yeah,
you did
the white and the black and the red. Yeah, and it matches the interior well too, right? Because the interior is all red with black stitching in certain areas for where the Bentley logo is. So it came out really, really nice. Again, you know, sometimes you do have to say no to jobs, but if anything does fail and stuff, again, we're very transparent. I can't control that because it's the stuff underneath. We tried to remove wrap on a lot of the areas, but everything that we were removing was removing paint and primer because it was, yeah, in some of the areas where you're not even painted, it was just primer. So we had to sand all that down to make it smooth. It was a lot of work. Like, again, that's why I keep saying again and again, I didn't even want to do it, but we did it for them. I'm sure they're going to be super happy. '26 BMW M4 competition, full comp. This has a comp seats, such a gorgeous spec. Gloss black going stealth and going with paint protection film, of course. You already can see it looks super sinister.
So this is gonna be similar to that M3 we did a couple months ago.
Yeah, but that was a wrap. This is PPF.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so this is actually protecting the car. It's, like I said, it's brand new. I think it has 60 kilometers on it. So yeah, so we're gonna be blocking out the reflectors. Some parts are gonna be gloss still, like the mirrors, the trims, front grille. I'm gonna see if I can find a way to do just this gloss, leave that, and then do the satin around it. But come take a look at the wheels. If you guys know, these are the same wheels that I did on my M3, but we did it with a 3-piece design. So that is exact, I think it's an 826M wheel. I love this wheel from factory. So that's why I did it on my car. And that's why it's breaking the internet. Everyone loves it. It's breaking the internet. Everyone's like, how the heck did you do that? But it's art of motion, we get it done. Rear here, diffuser, stained gloss. The trunk spoiler, stained gloss. Roof is gonna stay gloss.
On the lights?
Yeah, we always do.
Oh, no.
Always clear PPF. Everything. When I mean full body, I mean full body.
Yeah.
Like I don't leave nothing. Even the trims get done, right? And I think door handles are gonna go satin, that's for sure. And then there's some other small things. Yeah, so roof stay gloss. He did lease the car, so he doesn't want to spend too much money. But oh yeah, come, you didn't even see the interior. I didn't show you the interior on this. I love the comps, bro. You gotta see this. Wait till I don't like. Look at this, bro. The bolsters, and you can hold on. You know, if you have your girl on the side and she's too scared, let her grip up. You don't have to hold the handle. Oh, this doesn't even have the handle. That's why it has it here. See? But full carbon buckets. Beautiful M stitching on this. Nothing has even been taken off. Look at this. Screen still has it. But just look at how beautiful they've done these interiors, man. Like it's BMW has stepped up so much, bro.
I know everyone says Mercedes is the best interiors, but I think
Mercedes, again, they are gorgeous interiors. Is it a competition? I don't think it is, because BMW has its own design and class, and then Mercedes has its own design and class. They're both beautiful. I love AMG for sure. Like you already know. Like I'm not like, hey, I'm just all Beamer. But at the end of the day, did they step up from their cars? Yes, they did big time. Because I told you before, Audi used to lead in interiors. When I had my S4, I was like, holy shit, came out crazy when they revamped that A4, S4 line of cars, an RS4 line of cars. Now they're behind, but they were leading. Mercedes was on the interior. BMW on the interior.
It's crazy to hear that though, because I feel like Mercedes has always been good.
I know, and like Audi's interior has been like looking the same for the past 15 years. Yeah. Sad to say. So 2009, that model of like say A4, S4 came out. That same interior looks almost the same as a new one still, bro. Yeah. You know, like it just, I don't know. And I feel like it's more plasticky now. You know the M cars always have my heart. So this is a G82. I want a G80, and I want to put a fat single turbo right here. Just spooling, you know? So this is for the 911 that's right behind us there. Another good client of ours. He actually works at a dealership, and he's been following me for a while. He's like, you know what? I finally want to come and drop off my car to you. And he's known me for a very, very long time, even before I had any of this, when I used to work for Honda. So it's great that, you know, it's like a full circle moment that he's finally able to come, and he brought his beautiful Porsche. So yeah, so we did black chrome. You can see the finish here in this lighting looks absolutely crazy, but right now it's super gloomy outside. Otherwise I'd bring it outside. In the sunlight, it blinds you like in the sunlight, because it is chrome, but this is black chrome. So even rolling, it just looks nuts. When that light hits it, when it's bouncing off that, you know, those little angles and stuff, it's gonna look crazy. For a factory wheel, this looks absolutely gorgeous. The center caps are like a matte gray right now, so we're gonna send it out to the body shop actually and get them painted. Obviously plastic I can't do in this because it'll melt in the oven when you bake it. So we're gonna paint it black. And we actually had a black one. Is a black one here, Harv, or no? You put the black one away? Oh, so here. I'll show you a quick difference of what it will look like. So this is factory one. The Porsche crest is all faded out. It's not gold anymore. But like this is a black one that we have that I want to show the difference. I have these in stock, but it's the wrong bore size. It's too big, so it's not gonna fit. But you could tell, like with the black, it actually blends in a lot more than what this matte gray is, right? Yeah, so this shine, because it's already black chrome, like in these inner angles right now, does it not look black?
Yeah.
Right? Like you just see the chrome here, but you're seeing black here. But when you turn it, obviously, then you see the chrome on the inside too, right? So with a gloss black cap, at least it'll blend in a lot better. So I'm gonna send those ones out that are the right size, factory ones, get them done in gloss black finish. We got this beautiful F-150 right beside us. It is not a regular one. It is a Super Snake Shelby truck. This thing has over 700 horsepower. And of course, we had to protect it with our immobilizer and tracking system. Come take a look. Right now, the vehicle is gonna be able to start. The system is not activated. Here's that supercharger, shut it off. Click activate on the kill switch. There we go, push on the start, nothing happens. So let's use the backup remotes to unlock it and go ahead. Every insurance company is making a lot of these cars mandatory, especially a truck like this that's very, very expensive and very rare. You want this to be on your driveway, of course. So make sure you guys hit us up. You know where to go. We've been doing this for a while. Automotion, nothing. Let's get it, baby. Sick? Sick. All right, airdrop that. I'm gonna drop this video right now.
How loud does this get?
It gets loud. You didn't hear the supercharger?
No, because when you first started it, I was like, I should be loud.
Yeah, but the exhaust, remember, is still like toned down. Yeah. Like people will still like go crazy with it. But the supercharger, that's what they call these, look at that So they used to call like the old Mustangs and stuff the Super Snake. This thing is
okay.
crazy. Look at the plenum on that thing, bro.
It's a Whipple.
Yeah. Let me start this quick. What? Give it like a couple seconds. Hold on. Yo, bring the camera right in there. You want to take this mic? Put it over there? Here, put this mic right there.
Here.
Hold it there.
I take back what I said.
That is a badass truck. Thank you. Thank you.
Got Instagram, tag me on the gram.
Yeah, I will. I got you, my brother. Nice to meet you.
What's up, man?
Carlos! Holy moly. I think he hasn't been around in a long time. What do you think? No? I gonna say hi to him? He has some hair here. I think he grabbed somebody's hair. This is crazy.
I saw your booth over there. Your
Yeah,
guy was
man.
there.
Yeah, we're
Nice
just,
to see you guys.
we're always busy,
Bro,
so we
the
never get to
Beamer
go
with
to
the
shows.
green, deadly. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
came off fire.
better than
That's
the red, to be
way
honest.
better than the red.
The green looks sick.
And I'm honestly in love with green nowadays, so.
Green and purple is the
It's
the
a
new
way.
trend right
Yeah,
now.
yeah. I did the purple before with my S4. Wow, look at this color, bro. On the G80s. Carbon ceramics. Hey, Namadi. Got the underground gang. Underground. Is it the same color? No, this looks like it's 3M. That's sick, though. This is fire, bro. Oh, look at this. Bro, with the Alpina wheels.
Look at the phone.
Bro, it's extended. Look at this. Right here.
Oh my god.
You know how rare that is? Bro, that's...
That's exciting.
Yeah. Bro, that's crazy. Full Alpina kit. All the way around. Ooh. Yellow Recaros. I love the color. The Miami colors. Ethan, it's like your Miami hat. It is my first car, actually. I had a 1989 EF. Didn't even have money to pay for the brakes. I used the e-brake to stop. Damn, this is clean. The Panda look is fire. With the Volks, I don't know, man. The clear tails are growing on me. On all the cars. A car with like a crazy Jap-inspired print on the side.
That is
DJ, that's fire, bro. With a big titty anime? Come on, bro. Jeez. Look at the yonkers on that, bro. My God. The oil cooler outside. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with the lineup of cars that came out. Because usually it's like, you know, you don't really see new stuff. You always see the same stuff over and over again.